Smothered cabbage. Ooh, wow. Minkies, welcome to my channel. I know you guys are here for this smothered cabbage, so we are going to get started. Thank you guys for my old subscribers that keep returning and commenting and supporting me, and thank you to my new subscribers as well that are just joining my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And let's get started. So guys, I bought 4 heads of cabbage like this. These are small to me because I usually get them huge around the New Year's, but these are small to me. So I got like 4 of these. So we're gonna go ahead and wash these and cut them up. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start by cutting this part off. Don't ask me what this part is called, but I just know I cut it off. We're gonna cut that off because I do not use this to cut. I don't know if y'all do, but I don't. So we're gonna put that off aside and put it like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like start cutting it this way. Now it's up to you on how you would like your cabbage. I don't like them too small, guys, because then it'll be like too mushy to me. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like it. Just cutting it like this. Alright, we're gonna start by using this right here. So what I do is I take them apart like this. This is big enough to me. Big enough to me. Big enough to me. Like that. And my pot is right here that I'm going to be cooking it in. Now we're going to cut this, like, break that up. Break these pieces up right here. Because I don't want them too big. Now, you have these little strips that I cut. We're going to cut that up like this. Okay, let's cut that up. Break this off. Now, everybody is different when it comes to their cabbage, so y'all don't come for me. Don't come for me, y'all. Because I do my cabbage my way, and my family loves it. They love it. So we're going to break that up. Break it apart. Put it in there. Sometimes I don't even use this white part, but we're going to use it today. See, now you see this right here? I don't like using that, so we're going to put that off the side, guys. Now we have this right here. Break that in there. Break that up in there. See? Now we're breaking this up more. Okay, I don't know if I already told you guys that I had already washed it already. I also peeled the top layer off because you never know whose hand's been on it. So I just peeled it off like that. I just cut that piece. Okay, so now we're breaking up layers. I don't too much care for these little middle parts like that either. So we just breaking that up. I hope you guys' day is going fine. I hope y'all day is going well. Mine's is going very well too. My family can't wait till this meal is cooked. So let me tell y'all. Okay, so for this video, this is for the cabbage, but this meal that I'm cooking is which the whole meal is not going to be shown on this video, is going to be pork spare ribs with some rice and gravy, with smothered cabbage and smothered pigtails, and some some yams, guys. And that's gonna be about it. That's a good meal. Let me tell y'all, that is a really good meal. Break that up. And of course, as you stir, I don't know why I put that in there like that. As you stir, it's gonna break up too. But you want to try to break it up as much as you can, so you don't have to do all that. So, just breaking it up like that, guys. Now, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do one cabbage, and I'm gonna do the other 3 cabbages off camera, so we can get this show on the road, so y'all can see the other parts to this tutorial for making some other cabbage. We're almost done with this, and you're just breaking it up. Now, like I said, everybody do theirs a certain way. I do mine a certain way. Sometimes I use part of the cabbage, sometimes I don't. See, I don't like this. Definitely not using that, but this part right here, I use it sometimes. Okay, get those little bitty pieces and place that in there. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the cabbage, cutting them up and stuff, and I'll be back, guys. Okay, so y'all, this is my pot full of four heads of cabbage, and these were small heads of cabbage. And so now I'm going to pour a little bit of canola oil. Okay, so we're gonna pour just a little bit of oil in there. You want enough because once that cabbage starts to brown, your grease is going to start burning. So you want to put enough grease in there so it can brown, all of it can brown as you are stirring it. And if you need more, just add more. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so what I did was I kind of like shook the pot a little bit at the bottom so it could, so that grease can kind of cover the full bottom before you start to stir the pot. I put my fires, and I say fires because I had to use 2 burners for my big pot, guys. Look how huge that pot is. It takes up 2 burners, so that's enough for my cabbage. So both of them are on medium low fire. I believe that's what it is. It's on 7, like between 6 and 7, guys. So we're gonna let that start browning, and I'll be back. All right, so basically, guys, we are browning it, stirring. See how it's browning? Just stir it up so it doesn't burn. We are going to be back. Let it brown a little bit more. Okay, guys, of course, with cabbage, it's going to shrink. So y'all already noticed it done shrunk already. That's why you get a good bit of cabbage, because just getting one may be enough probably just for one person, 1 or 2 people, not even that. But just let it brown a little bit more. And I'm going to transfer it to another pot that's smaller. Ooh, it's so good. This is really good. Okay, we're gonna let it cook down a little bit more, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer it, guys. I just wanted it to be a little bit more brown. See that? All of them don't have to be like that, but at least have some of it brown so you can get like you'll have like that brown tint to your cabbage once it's finished. Once it's cooked. Let me say it like that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it, guys. Okay, so guys, I transferred it to a smaller pot. That way, you know, it could cook a little better. And I also added some water at the bottom of this pot. Let's see if y'all can see it. See that little bit of water down there? You don't need much water. You just need enough to, just for the bottom, a little bit for the bottom so it can cook. And then you want to put your fire on like between 4 and medium, guys. So basically dang near medium. So I just put it on medium, and we're gonna cover it with a top, and I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I covered it with the top. We're gonna let that go for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check it, guys, because we want to make sure the water is still in there. If the water is not in there, we're gonna have to add a little bit more water in it. So we'll be back. Okay, guys, I added a little bit of Creole seasoning in here, and also some black pepper, and we're gonna mix that in there. But the gravy and the pigtails that I'm cooking, that's gonna go in here, is going to give it a different flavor, guys. So well, not a different flavor, let me just say, like, it's gonna have flavor already. So that's why I didn't season this too much, because that's gonna already have seasoning in it, the pigtails. Okay, y'all, the cabbage is cooking, and is not gonna be too much longer before it's gonna be done. So I added some sugar to it, about I would say maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. It depends on you if you want to add sugar, but I add sugar to it to add that sweetness that the kind of put in there. And you just kind of stir that up. We're gonna cover it back up. Y'all see how much it shrunk? It shrunk a lot, guys. It shrunk a lot. That's why you gotta make sure you get enough. Okay, so this is how it's looking. We're gonna cover it back up. Okay, guys, the cabbage is done cooking. Now I'm just adding the gravy from the pigtails, and let's see, just kind of like sprinkle it around in there however much you want, and then just take some little pieces and add it to it, so it'll give the it'll give it some flavor. And we're gonna stir that up. I'm gonna stir that. I'm gonna put a little bit more gravy in it. Huh? Oh. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and stir this up, and this cabbage is going to be done. Y'all like my new setup? Hopefully I can get it better than this, but this is better than it was the last time, guys. So look how that looks. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Okay, so I I gotta do a little taste test, guys. Let me let y'all see it close up. Look at that. Ooh. Really good. I'm gonna taste on camera. Smothered cabbage. Ooh, wow. Oh, I can't wait to eat this with pigtails in it, guys. Smothered pigtails in the smothered cabbage. This looks so good. Ooh. Okay, guys, we're gonna try the cabbage. It's really good. The cabbage is really delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And let me know in the comment section if this was helpful for you. What other meals you would like for me to try. I will do it if I can. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, my minky. GorgeousOneMink.